What's going on, guys? So listen, I came out, left the missus at the house, told her I was running to the store to go and get some ice cream, going to get some ice cream. And yeah, epic fail. I'm talking about, when I say epic fail. So first off, they had the ice cream, but they wanted almost $10 for the ice cream. Yeah. Like a blueberry ice cream normally costs about $5.99. Man, they wanted $10 for it. I can't find that though. Yeah. So, just in case, that's another fun fact about me. I love ice cream. Yeah. Thing of ice cream that normally runs, like I said, normally down here, I don't know about from where you guys are from, but here, thing of blueberry ice cream normally runs $6.99. This store I just came out of, they wanted $9.99 for some ice cream. Yeah. But that same tub that I paid $6.99 for. And if I catch it on sale, depending on where I'm going, if I catch it on sale though, I'll get it for $5.99. Yes. So, that being said, it's a couple of restaurants open. I don't know about you guys, but it's a couple of restaurants open for this Christmas day. But yeah, listen, I just want to pick up the phone and pick up the camera rather than let you guys in on that, man. That just blew me out the water. I know I don't get on here that much, but that just blew me out the water. I had to let y'all in on that, man. $9.99, $10 for some ice cream. I love ice cream, y'all. I really do. I love it. I own $10 of it though. I ain't gonna lie to you. I own $10 of it. So listen. Let me know in the comments, man, if you guys like ice cream like I do. While I'm out, I'm gonna stop by my barber shop. I think one of my barbers, he chose to open up today for a short period of time, so I'm just gonna stop in, see how everything popping. Then we're gonna get it right. I'm gonna get up with y'all though.
It's not that I don't want you here, yeah. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. You get away, palm trees, beach views, and everything. All I wanna do is send the pictures on replay. Still running next to you.
That looks really good. Oh, it looks super nice. What are we looking for today? I've been thinking about a sectional. This seems so low though. That's the only thing about sectionals, babe. They seem low. That's a cute little stool. Definitely some beach vibe lamps. I wasn't expecting this store to be like this. You like that?
I would like something like that. But
Hi.
too low
Thank you.
for the actually another room, barbershop. Yeah, I'm actually looking.
Oh, this is
I like
cute.
this here. Right.
Modern, right?
Yeah, because I have a barbershop over Mobile. It's actually full service.
This is cute. All accessories are 50% off. Ooh. Oh, I like the bed. They got some cute stuff in here.
Handbags and your shoes get made out of, your belts get made out of. Yeah,
This is nice.
all the way around leather. Everything you see in leather. Isn't this cool looking?
I like it.
So this is one big sit like easy possible.
This is like the style I wanted you to have. That'll be nice. You get you some a drink and a cigar if you got your ventilation system worked out right. And that would be beautiful. What a grooming lounge. Okay. I like this furniture store. I like it. I like it. I love the fact that their accessories are half off. I see some that I would like. That's one thing that I don't have much of just as yet. Home accessories. I like that table.
That's different.
But I hadn't really accessorized a lot because I'm trying to get like the foundation stuff together first in our house. But yeah, pretty cool store. I like these candle holders. Oh, I like this one. That would be cute on the dining room table. And it's $139 and 50% off today. What are you into, Mr. Allen? Let me show the people your shirt. Hold up. What they say?
Street race. Jesus sake.
That's you.
That's me. That's me.
Street raised, Jesus saved. Come on, somebody. The great thing about this store, this is our first time ever visiting this store. Let me see the name. Direct Furniture, just in case you have one in your area. The great thing about this store is they have everything in stock. Now, if you've tried to purchase some furniture during the pandemic, you know that It has been a long wait time. So that is a major plus to be able to take what you want home today. That's major. So yeah, pretty cool.
Really?
What happened?
It's over there across the street.
Okay. I just love you, babe.
This might be right. Either you feel it or you don't. Might give it a try, yeah. Our bodies collide. Baby, you're everything I want. Let's give it some time, yeah. Somebody told me I should hit and run, but they don't know, they don't know, they don't know. Nobody knows but us how we roll, how we roll. Nobody knows what we got but us, but us. Let them keep talking, let them believe that they know, 'cause they don't, no they don't, no they don't. Let them believe that they know, 'cause they don't, no they don't, no they don't. I feel so alive. When I'm with you, I'm on flight mode. You move me inside, yeah. Then we get disturbed. So many people let me know I should bounce from your world, yeah. Yeah. Somebody told me I should hit and run, but they don't know, they don't know, they don't know. Nobody knows but us how we roll, how we roll. Nobody knows what we got but us, but us. Let them keep talking, let them believe that they know, 'cause they don't, no they don't, no they don't. Let them believe that they know, 'cause they don't, no they don't, no they don't. Let them keep talking, they don't, they don't.
Max, you want to help wash the car? Get to work. Get a man some help. Get to work.
You special and she reckless. Remember, you're my bestest friend. Yeah, she my bestie. My love for you is endless. Nobody else can end it. And when I get the money back, then baby girl, you can spend it. And everything is alright. I like how you doing alright, alright. Like how you think alright. Always on top, oh yeah, oh yeah. Like how you do it alright. Everything good, alright, alright. Like how you think alright. Always on top, alright, oh yeah. I wanna know it tonight. I wanna be the one to surprise you. Wake you up in the morning. I wanna be the one that you calling. 'Cause I see you in the future with me. I wanna meet you. Love best friend and big family. I'm the storm in your dream, making wet dreams come true. She know she bad, better than bad. She a gunshot that blew my mind. No distance, I come by my side. Everything is green over here. Everything you want and think about. Now I got your back all the way. And everything is alright. I like how you doing alright, alright. Like how you think alright. Always on top, oh yeah, oh yeah. Like how you do it alright. Everything good, alright, alright. Like how you think alright. Always on top, alright, oh yeah. I wanna know it tonight. I wanna be the one to surprise you. Wake you up in the morning. I wanna be the one that you a future with me. I wanna meet you. Look, best friend and big family. Me and you, we can be something we want to. When I see the dream we're chasing true, and don't care for me, yeah, yeah. Luckily we're free to be first class, wedding casually, yeah, yeah.